Hi, Lebel here again, and this week I've been learning actually more than one hymn this week because it's in the season of Advent. Started learning some of the Christmas carols, so I'm learning "It Came Upon a Midnight Clear." Turns out to be a pretty easy hymn to play, so I hope you'll enjoy this. The chords you'll need are um, C, F, G, A minor, and E. So let's play through the first verse once through. So this hymn is in triple time. In fact, it's compound triple. It's in 6/8 time. So we'll be using our triple time strum. It came upon the midnight clear, that glorious song of old, from angels bending near the earth to touch their harps of gold. Peace on the earth, goodwill to men, from heaven's all gracious King. The world in solemn stillness lay to hear the angels sing. Now grab your song sheets, and song sheets available in the link below, and we'll play through all 4 verses once through. It came upon the midnight clear, that glorious song of old, from angels bending near the earth to touch their harps of gold. Peace on the earth, goodwill to men, from heaven's all gracious King. The world in solemn stillness lay to hear the angels sing. Still through the cloven skies they come, with peaceful wings unfurled, and still their heavenly music floats o'er all the weary world. Above its sad and lonely plains, a band on hovering wing, and ever over its babble sounds the blessed angels sing. Oh, yea, beneath life's crushing load, whose forms are bending low, who toiled along the climbing way with painful steps and slow. Look now, for bread and golden hours come swiftly on the way. Oh, rest beside the weary road, and hear the that was It Came Upon a Midnight Clear. Fairly easy to play and learn, so hope you enjoy learning and playing in this Advent season.